In this quick video, I'm gonna show you how to add sound in Canva video. So I have this video footage here and I wanna add some music to it. So to do that, we need to go to this left panel and under it go to the upload section, then go to audio tab and under it click on upload files and select the audio file which you wanna upload. So I want to upload this file. I have selected it, then click on open. Then it will start uploading that audio file in your Canva. Once the file is uploaded, drag your audio file and drop it on your timeline. Now to change its duration, we have to select the audio file first, then go to duration from here, then scroll down here and you can drag the corner handles like this and make the duration you want, and I want to place it here. If you want to adjust more things, then for that click on the three dots and then you'll see bunch of options here. If you want to copy it, then you can copy it from here, you can paste it, you can duplicate this track. If you want to get rid of this audio file, then click on delete track and that particular track will be deleted. You can click on adjust and choose the portion you want to have in your audio clip. So I want to have this portion. Again right click on your file and you can explore all these options here. You can fade your audio clip, you can beat sync it. To increase the sound, click on volume and adjust the volume from here. So let's make it like this. And that's how you can add sound or music in Canva video. Now if I was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.